Hey everybody, this is Gayatri. Welcome you all to BioSchool. In today's session, we are going to discuss about simple matching index. It is a type of similarity coefficient index. In my previous session, I have discussed the similarity coefficient index. So what is that, where it is used? In case if you missed that video, I will drop the link in the description box down below. Please make sure to check out that video. I do have a video on Jacquard's index, that is also a type of similarity coefficient index. You will get that link in the description box down below. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about simple matching index, where it is used and what is its formula and how can we calculate simple matching index. Please watch the video till the end. Simple matching index, this is a type of similarity coefficient index, and it is used to measure the similarity between the communities. Okay, simple matching index, it is represented by SSM, that is S it is for the similarity index and SM it is for the simple matching. Also we can write it as CSM, that C is for the community and SM it is for the sample matching. Okay? So what is the formula for the simple matching index? The formula is A plus D upon A plus B plus C plus D. It's really very easy to remember, right? So now what is A, B, C, D mean? So for calculating any type of similarity index, first you have to plot a 2x2 table. First plot this table and put the value A, B, C and D. And above that, just write down the simple A, simple B, and number of spaces present for sample A, number of spaces absent for sample A, number of spaces present for sample B, number of spaces absent for sample B. Right? Now you can know the what is A. A, it indicates that number of spaces that are present in both sample A as well as in the sample B. B, it indicates that number of spaces that is absent for sample A. It is absent for the sample A, but it is present in sample B. Okay. Similarly, the C is absent in sample B, but it is present in sample A. And D, it is absent in both the sample A and sample B. Right? So this is all about what we exactly need to know before calculating simple matching index. Right, so here I have also mentioned that what exactly A, B, C, D mean. Now we will look into the previous year CSIR net question. So the question is, the following table show the summary of characters between the taxa based on the presence and absence data. Okay, so here the presence is represented by 1 and absence is 0. Okay, absence is 0, and this one is the 2/2 table. Okay, this one is the taxon A and taxon B. 1 is for the presence and 0 is for absent. And here that same 1 is for the presence and 0 is for absent. And question here it is asking that which of the following represents Jacquard's coefficient. We have calculated the Jacquard's coefficient for the same question in my video, that is about the Jacquard's index. You can refer that video. And today we are going to calculate the simple matching coefficient. Okay, so what is the formula for simple matching coefficient? The formula is A plus D upon A plus B plus C plus D. So first we will know what is the value of A, B, C, D. A, it represents that the spaces that is present in both the samples. That is A is this one, that 40, and B it represents that is absent in sample A, or here it is the taxon A but it is present in taxon B, so 80. And C, it represents the value which is absent in sample B but that is present in taxon A. And D, it represents the value which is absent in both the taxon A as well as taxon B. Right, it is absent in both the taxon. So now we got the value of A, B, C, D. Simple, we have to put the values. So what is A? A is 40 and D is 20, right? 40 plus 20 divided by 40 plus B, it is 18, right? 18. And what is the value of C? It is 22 plus, then the value of D is 20. So 40 plus 20 equal to 60, and this one is 40 plus 40 is 80 plus 20 is 100, right? 60 upon 100, so cancel 0 0. So what you got? So what is this answer? It is 0.6, right? 0.6. So which one will be the correct answer for simple matching coefficient? You can see is the 0.6 is the answer. Okay, you can also guess that here it is also the 0.6 in option C, but in the Jacob's coefficient we have calculated the Jacob's coefficient, and the answer for Jacob's coefficient was 0.5, and for simple matching coefficient it is 0.6. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is option D. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you definitely like this video. If you have any confusion, then please put a comment in the comment section down below. Do share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you in my next video.